Hey guys, this is Shivam and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of WebGoatPHP. WebGoatPHP is a deliberately insecure web application to teach you web application security. It is my GSOC 2014 project and it is mentored by Johanna and Abbas. So it contains 4 different submodules: single user mode, workshop mode, contest mode and secure coding mode. The aim of each of these modules is to teach you web application security in different aspects. So single user mode is for learning challenges when you want to learn it independently. Workshop mode is for collaborative environment when you want to when there is some teacher teaching and he can control which challenges to display and etc. Contest mode is for hosting CTF style Jeopardy style challenges, so you can host your own CTF contest. And secure coding mode is all about learning how to write secure code. So we'll quickly go through each of these. In single user mode, you will have to sign in first, so I'll just sign in using username guest, password guest, and here you can see on the left hand side there are different categories, around 15-16 categories of challenges. So challenges or lessons, they can be used interchangeably. So these all are your lesson categories and each category contains 3-4 challenges. So for solving a challenge, you just have to open it. You select one challenge from the list and see there are around 5 different options on the bottom menu. One is hints, so if you are stuck at any point, you need some hints, you can always take a look at hints. And before beginning a lesson, you should always look at the lesson plan. How is the lesson designed? What is the aim of the lesson? What are the goals? And how should you proceed? So you can take a look at the lesson plan, and if you want, you may have a look at its PHP code. Although it is not required, it is more required in secure coding mode, but you can always look at the code behind it. And if you want, you can have a look at your cookies and if any get parameters are present in the URL. And lastly, you can always view the solution of a lesson, but I'd recommend you first try at your own, and if you are not able to solve it, then only have a look at the solution. So I'll just quickly show you how to solve this challenge. So it is a XSS reflecting as XSS challenge. There is a shopping cart and I have to supply credit card number and PIN. XSS takes place when some script is executed in the form in your web page, and it is like intentionally executed injected by the attacker. So let's say if I enter something 123 in the PIN, so I guess it's saying successfully purchased. So I'll try to introduce some error condition or something and then have a look if we can do something. So I'll just type ABC. So PIN is assumed to be numeric. I'll type some alphanumeric. So you can see that sorry, the PIN ABC is invalid. So my output is getting echoed back in the response, but is it escape before echoing? So I might enter some HTML in it, say hello world, and if it is not getting escaped, so I'll see a h1 heading, h1 header, hello world. See how simple is it? So if I am a malicious user, I might insert some script inside it and I may execute the challenge. So a quick way to complete this challenge is to insert a script and then submit. So as soon as the script so the page says 1, congratulations, you have successfully completed the challenge, and you will see a tick mark. So this is how you have to proceed in a challenge. You can always reset a lesson when you think you are stuck or you have made some changes in the database which cannot be reverted back, and or if you want to solve it again, you can always reset the challenge. So okay, reset. Next we'll move to workshop mode. Workshop mode is similar to single user mode, except that there is a administrator who will control all the things going on inside. So workshop mode has basically 2 sides. One is the administrator side and one other is the user side. So I log in with workshop admin credentials. so that I can view both the sides. So okay, a similar interface is here. You can see all those similar categories, all those options and all those challenges. But here you'll notice one option of dashboard. So this is the dashboard of administrator. So let me open it. If you can see it, okay, yeah. So in this dashboard there are 5-6 options. One is the overview. So currently there are no users, so it's just showing total users 1, total category 16, how many lessons are there and how many visible lessons. There is an option to hide the lessons. You can see the reports. So since no one has completed, otherwise if someone will complete a challenge, you can see who is completed which challenge and which challenge is completed by how many users. And we have some analytics here. So you can see a graph of how the challenge distribution is taking place, in what categories the challenges are divided. You can see cross-site scripting contain most number of challenges. You can create users for your workshop mode. So say if lecturer is if a lecturer want to teach, so he can create a users for all his students, and then students can log in using their usernames, and then lecturer can monitor their progress. He can see who is solving which challenge, how many challenges are solved. In a similar fashion you may delete. So there is one user workshop 1, so you may delete a user. Lesson settings is basically to turn on and off the visibility of a lesson. So if I'll just turn off the visibility of say XSS 1 and 2, so if a user will view those challenges, he can only view HTTP only and XSS 3. Let's see. So I have turned off visibility of XSS 1 and 2. Now I'll go back to home and I'll then navigate to my workshop mode. So now when I'll open this cross-site scripting, I can see only those 2 challenges which are visible. So coming back to my dashboard, okay, I can always refresh here. Alright, so in this way a workshop admin can control the interface. Next thing is contest mode. So for taking a part in a live contest, you first have to sign up, and this sign up is a small form, 3-4 things, and you have to confirm your username and you have to confirm your email ID, then only you will be able to log in. So after sign up I have created a ID, and this mode also has 2 different aspects. One is your administrator point of view and another is the user point of view. So one will be contest admin, other will be the user. So I have one user Shivam. So this is a normal user. So there are no active contests. So there is nothing running, there is nothing, the database is empty, it's clean, so it's showing there are no active contests. Now I'll show you how to create a contest and how to add a challenge. So in contest mode, so first I'll log in using administrator contest admin so that I can access the administrative options. So okay, I'm getting that same screen, but right hand side there is an option of dashboard. So I'll navigate to my dashboard. Yeah, the feel and look is same as the workshop admin dashboard. So okay, there are no active contests and I cannot use anything without starting a contest. So I'll just start one contest, say in CTF, with the name of Amrita University. I have to choose start date and end date. So I'll just choose 10 today, that is at 2:44 p.m. maybe, like I'll just change the time after 2 minutes, and this will be PM. Alright, and end date will be 11th. Then I'll just submit this. So this contest will start in 2 minutes. So okay, my contest is added. It will start in another 2 minutes from now. We have an end time and there is just one user. I signed up before, so it's showing one user. There are no challenges in, and okay, so nothing here. Now what I'll do is I'll just view the user page. So my contest ads is about to start. So what will a user view? So from the user point of view, it will show a clock that alright, this contest will start in another 55 seconds. So after 55 seconds, whatever challenges are, they will be visible. And for adding a challenge, let me go to dashboard. I'll just open the directory of my application. So here is directory of my application. I'll go to challenges, and then there are two different things. One is contest, one is single. Single is your all those challenges in your single user mode and workshop mode. So all these are here. I'll make another video of how to add a challenge in single mode later. So in contest mode, what I have to do is, so there is one thing, matrix. There is one challenge matrix. I just added. This is a demo challenge. So you have to create a new folder and say foo, and you have to create some file, say index.html, and enter some text. So oops, sorry. So I'll open it with Sublime. I'll just enter hello world. Okay, alright. And so whatever directories you will create, subdirectories that you will create inside this directory contest, they will be visible to you here. So if I'll open this, I'll just go to challenges. So okay, matrix was there. I'll just refresh it. So I've added one directory, foo. So it will be shown here to you. So there are two challenges, foo and matrix. So I have to enter their details, their points, their flag, etc. to store it in the database. So this is foo. I'll enter my foo challenge, some points, let's say 200, flag, let's say my flag, and I'll just add it. Okay, so this challenge is added into the database. Now it is visible to the user. It is visible on the user end. Next is your matrix challenge. So enter the matrix. Let's say 500 points, and flag is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'll add it. Alright, so we have two challenges. Now let's look at the other side of the coin, the user view. So I'll go to contest mode. So this is the user view. Now since the time was for 50 seconds were remaining and they have already elapsed, so its contest is now visible because I started at the contest at 246. It's 248 now. Now I can view the challenges. So one is my foo challenge, the other is enter the matrix, and we have points associated, total attempts, how many users have attempted this challenge and how many of these have solved this challenge. So let's start by solving enter the matrix. This is a demo challenge, there is nothing inside. So I'll just open it. So this is some random text, and this is the name of the challenge, and I'll just enter say blah, and then I'll submit. So this is a wrong flag, so it will say try again, and you can see that in this you can see the total number of attempts has increased. Now I'll make the correct submission. Remember our flag was 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'll just submit this, and congratulations, you successfully completed this challenge. And you can see, if we refresh this page home, we can see okay, there are 2 attempts and one is the correct submission. So in this way we can solve challenges. So this is about the contest mode. Next we'll move to last but not the least, secure coding mode. This is the most important mode. However, it is still under development. There are few more things which has to be developed. In this mode you have to solve patch the vulnerability. So in all these three different modes there was a attack mechanism. So there is some vulnerable system, you have to attack it. This is a defense mechanism. So in this module you learn how to write secure codes in PHP. So we'll sign in using same username guest, and as I said, it is still in development, so I cannot show you the complete mode. But let's say I open this challenge using access control matrix. So there you will notice fix it button. So not all challenges have enabled this secure coding mode. So whichever challenge has enabled this secure coding mode, you will get this option of fix it. So other like rest of the layout is similar to my single user mode and workshop mode. Only feature which is added here is fix it button. So when I click fix it button, I can see a part of source code. So there are around 21 lines of source code, and they are the vulnerable part of the source code. So whosoever is the developer of the challenge can specify which all lines to display to the user so that he can edit. So this is a open source editor ACE, so you may write whatever you feel like. So if let's say I remove this or something like that, and then you have to submit this button, and then it will get evaluated. Then you will come to know if it is a valid submission or not, if this source code patch the vulnerability or not. So these are all the 4 different modes of WebGoatPHP. And as I said before, this is an open source project and sponsored by Google Summer of Code. So contributions are always welcome. You can check the GitHub, and you can contact me, email me directly regarding any doubts. I'll make few more videos about how to make a contribution to this project and about how to add challenges here. So you can contribute in different ways. So if you want, you can contribute in a form of challenge. You can add challenge, you can add some features, you can do bug fixing, you can do documentation. So this is a big project, and there are lots of scope of contribution in this project. So contributions are most welcome. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye, have a good day.